On a quest to retrieve our lost drone, we traveled deep into the fog-filled Chattahoochee National Forest. With the heavy overnight rain, we knew this adventure was going to be a little more interesting than 2 days prior. Trail conditions were wet and muddy, but we aired down our tires and headed back up the mountainside. Come along with us as we travel deep into the wilderness on this week's episode. My name is Josh, and this is Overlanding Now. Good morning. It's rainy, it's cold, Georgia in the spring. The thing was, we thought everything was going to be great because it's spring, but the weather's rather unpredictable. So today, we're on a frickin' recovery mission. We have no choice but to find this drone. Well, we know where the drone is. We have no choice but to get the drone down out of that tree. How, you say? Don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you, we might get all the way there and have nothing to show for it, but I have to at least give it one more shot. I'm not gonna cut down the tree. I already said that. Give me a break. But what I am gonna do, maybe throw some more rocks, maybe climb the tree. The options are kinda endless, but that's what today's adventure is. We're gonna go back and get this drone. It's cold, it's wet, it's rainy. It's gonna make the trail conditions much different than the day before it, which I'm actually kind of excited about because it's gonna be completely different. Should be muddy, should be messy, should be nasty, and I'm actually quite thrilled, to be completely honest. So, thank you guys for coming to watch the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you can come along for the adventures. We're gonna get this day going. I'll see you in a minute. This particular route is roughly 30 miles of well-maintained forest roads that dead ends at Lake Conasauga. This 95-acre section of forest is named the Kahuta Wilderness Area and is the largest wildlife area east of the Mississippi. The Kahuta Mountains are part of the oldest known mountains in the world. They run from Fannin County, Georgia to Tennessee and North Carolina border. Kahuta has 2 primitive campgrounds, although camping is permitted anywhere in the wilderness area on National Forest lands except where posted otherwise. On your way up to Lake Conasauga, you'll pass dozens of campsites that have been established by other overlanders and campers. Several of these sites will accommodate 1 or more vehicles, and once you reach the lake, you will find a beautiful little campground with multiple sites available seasonally. So to make matters worse, well, exactly. The one thing that gives mom anxiety?
Guys, it's like when you go to when you guys watch a haunted movie.
A haunted movie?
Literally in the woods.
That was deep. Well, it's extremely foggy. And if there's one thing that mom hates more than anything, it's fog. That just adds an extra layer of complexity to the drone recovery mission. What are you doing?
I'm just trying to keep you stable so it's not all
Don't worry about me. It's gonna be a little shaky. Got mom behind the wheel. She wants to get the hell out of these woods as quickly as she can.
Like there's mountains over there. That's so terrifying.
Just take a look. Hold on, I'm gonna try to. I gotta get out. This is something you just. Hopefully I can show you.
Looks like it's nothing.
The way I want to show you. But the other day we were here and you could see for miles. And today, I mean, I'm sure it looks so blown out behind me, but There's literally nothing. All you can see is frickin' fog. It's so creepy. But I would say we're about 5 miles from the drone spot, and then it's recovery time. Okay, she needs to relax a little bit. That was a little too much. Once we arrived at the drone location, all of our audio equipment stopped working or worked poorly. If you're not familiar with these woods, then you may not be familiar with the Native American stories about these woods and what they were a part of. I'll leave the research and paranormal investigation up to you on this one. Oh no, not that again.
I feel like you should try one from that side.
Okay. But I gotta get through this.
It's just worth trying. I just feel like you didn't give that any effort. Okay, we're racing rocks.
We're racing rocks?
Racing rocks.
I've just hit it from this side, so I feel comfortable here. Oh.
Oh, you're getting so close. Oh! I'm not going home without this drone.
I don't know. We're gonna have a choice. That hit the branch right in front of it. I need a little bit more loft. There. Oh.
Mommy. Mom, can I use the water? Mommy.
There's no mic.
Huh? Okay, put this back.
What are you doing?
Question is, it's too heavy. It's too heavy.
Are you
heavy.
serious?
It's too heavy. Why don't you do a double knot?
That's what I'm doing.
It's like a bow to me. Oh, it's tricky. Oh, you're going again. It's interesting. It's new. Alright. There it is. Okay. After many attempts, the paracords on the tree. The coordinates are in the description. We're gonna go drown our sorrows in a box of pizza. Does anybody call it that?
Box of pizza?
Yeah, a box of pizza.
Hope you get Papa John's.
I'm not getting Papa John's.
Huh?
That's brutal.
Are you kidding me?
So, thanks for coming along. What were you gonna say about Papa John's?
No, I said Taco
She hates
Bell.
Papa John's. Taco Bell. I mean, that's just asking for a problem in the camper, if you know what I'm saying.
Ew.
We appreciate you guys coming along for the adventure. Everything's there for you. If you find the drone, send me an email, leave a comment, whatever. I'll pay you for it. At this point, it's just nostalgia. I just want it. It means something to our family.
Absolutely.
So,
Did you tell them
did I tell them what?
our plan B? What you
Oh,
want me to do?
no, I'm not even going to get into Plan B. Plan B was, I found a dead tree.
It was a great plan.
I cut it down. We were going to use it to, it's just, the tree was too heavy. It's just the whole thing. So, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button to trick YouTube's algorithm. And we'll see you on the next one.